Probably the most common question we get from Florida homeowners is why did my rate go up? What did I do? I didn't have any accidents, so why did my rate go up? And why is this so expensive? Well, first, why is it so expensive? That's a hard one, and that's going to differ on case-by-case basis on why the rate went up. I say, I know it has nothing to do with you personally. There's a lot of things that are affecting the industry as a whole, and therefore your rate is impacted by other people. So whether it's other people getting into a lot more accidents and therefore causing rates to go up, or there's a lot of fraud in the industry, as we talk about a lot on our blog and our YouTube channel. And so that's one reason, sort of the one bad apple spoils the bunch for everybody. So when people say, why did my rate go up for sort of no reason, I remind them that I'm also a member of the community. I don't get free insurance because I'm an insurance agent. That would be nice, but that's not how it works. So when they're getting a rate increase, I'm also getting the rate increase. So I understand what they're going through. And so I have to explain, it's not for no reason. There's going to be something, whether there's been an increase of losses in their zip code, or there's been some sort of fraud. And so the company has to stay financially stable. They're not a non-for-profit. They are here to make money, but also to make you whole when you have a problem. We feel your pain. We're in the same boat. We hear from customers every single day. Maybe they're on a fixed income, or maybe recently they've lost their job. And so they need to figure out a way that how can they keep their insurance? They want to stay with a great company and not sacrifice coverage. So we just go over what their different options are, whether it's maybe bundling some policies together, whether it's getting an inspection that can maybe save them some money, maybe change some coverage, maybe not reduce coverage, but take a look at what their options are. We try to do anything so that we're not sacrificing the coverage for the client, because when you need insurance, you want it to be there. So a lot of companies right now are non-renewing people, and it has nothing to do with you. You didn't have any claims, you feel cheated, you paid all this money, why are you getting dropped by a company? And it has to do with something that they call exposure management, and it's making sure that they don't have too many homes in a zip code for their reinsurance. There's a lot of levels, it can be quite confusing, but we hear you, we understand, and that's why we represent probably about 20 plus companies for homeowners insurance, so that if that company is no longer that right fit for you, we have another company that will provide that just as good, if not maybe better coverage, that will want you as a client. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to our channel so you get more amazing content to keep you up to date on what's happening in the insurance industry.